Welcome to the Crypto Idiot channel. By the way, I will be live tonight at 8 p.m. Central Time. We have moved the live stream from Monday to Tuesday night because of Monday Night Football. I don't want to interfere with that. And usually I go live at 9 p.m. Central Time on Mondays tonight. Or I should say Tuesday, usually we'll go live at 9 p.m. Central Time. Tonight it'll be 8 p.m. Central Time. Let's look at Bitcoin really quickly. I see this in a falling wedge. I just made a YouTube short about this, but I see that I want to give you guys way more detail. Right now, I see this in a falling wedge. Measure move is 123,000. This will take some time to play out, but I see this likely going up. Anytime gold has hit an all-time high, usually Bitcoin does the same, hits an all-time high itself within 30 days or 1 month. So we'll see what happens. Right now, he's trying to get that move out of this falling wedge here, and I'm kind of tempted to take a long on this once we make a higher low. If we get a bounce, like say we roll over here, get a higher low, like say we hold 115. If we hold 115,000, I would be interested in a long. That could be 24 hours from now, but that's something I'd be projecting into the future. It does look kind of bullish for a bounce. So looking at this at this point, that would be the measure move. And how do I get the measure move? Well, I need to bring up the stock RSI again. I get the measure move from taking it from the last high to the last so-called low. The last time you oversold was right here. So, technically speaking, let me just make sure the measure move is still the same. It would still be the same at around $122,000. And actually, the line should be at the top of that flag. So the measure move is just around almost 123,000 actually, because that line right there says 122.9. So 123,000 would be the measure move for Bitcoin if we get this continuation pump here. And this could take a while, but if we go over to Bookmap, we see that there's a lot of liquidity sitting on Bookmap at 118,000. And then if you go on over to the left side, which is the weekly time frame, we see that there's a lot of liquidity at 125 and 130, but 125 would get you to that measure move of 123. So I'm not long in Bitcoin right now, just being transparent, but I see this continuing to the upside. And if you look at the 1 hour time frame, yes, you're overbought. If you look at the half hour and the 15, you're overbought. But it looks like the 15 is making a little flag and might just continue here. 10 minutes probably oversold. Look at that, it is. And you could just trade this flag now. I would wait for the 15 to get oversold, but you have another measure move. But now, if the 15 wants to rip at some point, maybe not immediately, 118 would be the target. If it goes right now, it could go right now. We could see 118 later today or maybe tomorrow morning, but it looks like it could happen really soon. So that's my update. I see Bitcoin about to bounce here on the 10-minute time frame. I would still wait for the 15 to get oversold, but at this point, Bitcoin looks pretty bullish to me, and I see the trend continuing back to the upside. And yeah, that's my update for Bitcoin. Yeah, I'll see you guys in live stream with more updates. The trend's your friend until the end, guys. And I've said this many times. The trend's your friend until the end. And right now, the trend is your friend on the 4-hour time frame, on the 50-minute time frame, on the daily time frame. I see Bitcoin continuing in its bull market back to new all-time highs sometime in the next 2 to 3 weeks. So that's all I got. I'll see you guys in the next one. I appreciate you guys hit the like and subscribe. It does help support the channel. I'll see you guys in live stream tonight.